In this video, we're going to figure out which number is greater, less than, or equal to. So if we have a problem like this that says which sign makes the statement true, 92,410 question mark 92,530, and we need to figure out which sign is the correct sign to put here. Okay? So the first thing is you need to understand and remember the signs, so what they mean. Okay, so this, the arrow pointing that way is the greater than sign. And the way you can remember it is on a number line, numbers increase as you move this way, right? Oops, and let me finish explaining. So this is the less than sign, and it's pointing that way. So you can remember on a number line, as you move this way towards on the number line, numbers decrease, right? So that's a good way to remember it. And then equals is just equal to. So the next step is to count the number of digits for each number. They both have 5 digits, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you follow the bouncing red ball. So the next step is compare each digit starting from the left, okay? So you start from this side of the number and move that way. Same for this one. You start here and you move that way. Okay, so let's do that. So let's compare both of these. So we're comparing the nines. Nines are the same. So they both have the same 10,000s digit. Then we compare the twos, the next digit. Both of them have 2 for the next digit. So they both have the same thousands digit. And you just keep going. Now we're just comparing the 4 to the 5. Ooh, those are not the same. So the hundreds digit is different. 4 is less than 5. So we know that this number is less than this number. And that's what we wrote here. And now we could circle the correct sign for this answer. And it's the less than sign, which is right here. Okay? So don't worry if you don't understand this right away. Anyone can do math. You probably just need another explanation of this. So just rewind the video and watch it again. I'm also going to include in the description links to my other videos that are very similar to this that are maybe a little bit easier if you need a refresher. And as well, you could download the ebook and follow along the ebook, and you can take notes there. This exact problem is in the ebook.